But dear students, I am going to explain you that where does angle of elevation formed in heightened distances. Suppose if the height of the observer is given, in that case, the angle of elevation is always taken from the top of the observer. That means height of the observer is given, and in that case above that, that means the top of the observer's eye will be taken at the point, and that from at that point only angle of elevation will be made. Okay, and but if angle height of the observer is not given, that on the ground at any point will be considered. At that point the angle of elevation will be made. Okay, so in this way you will find that angle of elevation and angle of depression both are equal. Angle of elevation is always formed at the observer's eye, whereas the angle of depression is formed at the object. Yeah, and so both are equal because both are in the same plane and both are parallel to each other, so they become equal. So in this way we estimate where the angle of elevation will be formed. Yeah, because different types of questions you will get, and in that you will find the tower height, always you have to keep in mind, will be greater than the building height. Building height is always considered smaller and tower height is considered larger, greater. So in this way we will estimate where the angle of elevation and angle of depression will be formed when we are solving trigonometrical height and distance questions. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.